Hello, Monday morning. Yeah, what can I say? It's a little bit hard Monday morning, start working, but here we are. Okay, now let's speak about some things. Let's fix some things, yeah? I upload the video Friday. I'm very, very happy. A lot of people, welcome back. You know what? I never left. I never left. And a lot of funny comments. Yeah, thank you for all your comments. You are still alive. You are not dead. No. Okay, one of the thing, yeah, will make me smile. Yeah, one of the things. 1 second. Let me find that one of the thing, yeah? Let me find that comment. Uh, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, this was a nice one. Unorthodox approach. I will explain you later. From where this unorthodox approach comes, yeah? I was looking for different comment. 1 second. 1 second. There are so many comments. So many, like 170 comments. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah. No, you know what? I will like this comment. I will like this comment. And he's saying only you can put 4 amps and petrol into an iPhone and fix it. Okay, let me explain it. Let me explain it. Yeah, 1 second. On the first, on the beginning, I was thinking, and I said, the guy has right, so you can't come with this rude. That's a rude thing, So on a thing like less technology, like how it's on an iPhone, everything it's less things there, yeah. And you come with petrol and 4 amps, that's quite rude, you know. It's like fixing how the things was. Well, no, even before, no. Okay, but let me explain. Yeah, let me make clear. That was a funny comment, and I realize myself. I realize, you know what? The guy has right, Well, let me take a paper. Yeah, let me take a paper and I'll explain. 1 second. 1 second. That's funny. Yeah, that's a funny comment because make me think and make me realize. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's how the people see this. Like it's so primitive. Like I'm like a primate. You see petrol and like arms just to find a fault, and actually it's working. 1 second. 1 second. Let me grab a paper. So you remember the last video, on the iPhone. So you have the battery connector, yeah? You have plus and minus. And yeah, we start like was not charging at all, yeah? So I come with a power supply here, and well, like 4 volts and 2 amps, 2.5, yeah? And I say, oh, look, it's short. But it's not very short, it was like limiting like 1.5 volts. So if I have 1.5 volts here, I'm sure if I check with the multimeter, so I know how these things works, I'm sure it will be not short, will show me like it's a diode there. So that means I have a MOSFET here. So here should be a MOSFET, yeah? And obviously after this MOSFET, I don't know, I think it's a power supply here with that SN chip, that's ground, yeah? But after that you have VCC mine, yeah? This is VCC mine. This is going everywhere. So this is going on that cap. Remember it was a cap and the Wi-Fi thing, yeah? Is going on the power management chip, you know, the PM, yeah? Is going for different power supplies like audio, like touchscreen, like it's going everywhere, yeah? So this is the main thing, yeah? So from, for example, yeah, these main things, power manager is creating voltage for processor, yeah? It's creating voltage for many other things, yeah? So, but this is the main line, and obviously on the main line it's same like on the laptops, you have a lot of caps, yeah, capacitors connected to the ground, you have a lot. If I remember from the schematic, I think I like 5 or 6, something like that. Yeah, even on the Wi-Fi it's one capacitor. Backlight, yeah. Backlight is, even the backlight is from this main. So you have one shorted cap, yeah. You have one shorted cap. Let's say this is shorted here, yeah. This one is shorted. How do you find that shorted cap? So obviously here is short, not very short. You have like 5 ohms electrical resistance, yeah. Here you have nothing. So on this main line you have absolutely 0. Was not absolutely 0, I think it was like 0.5. So even that cap was not completely short. It was shorted, but like 1 ohm in electrical resistance, yeah. So how do you find that one? Let's say you have schematic. Let's say you have. I don't have schematic. Let's say you have schematics. How do you find that cap? How do you know it's not this cap shorted, or this one, or this one, or this one? Huh? So the only way, actually, are 2 ways. 2 ways to find this fault. 2 ways, yeah? Based on the schematics and board view, so you know exactly which are the cap and where are placed on the board. So you have to remove each till the short will be gone. True or not? True, yeah? And the second method is what I used, yeah? I come here on the main line. Actually I come here on the cap, on the Wi-Fi cap, you remember? Here, on this point. I come with 2 3 amps, and obviously the cap will get hot. And this was getting hot. Remember, it's next to the backlight IC. And petrol. I know it's but that's the only way how you can find this fault. So it's another way. And the other way, like let's say the professional way, start removing that's long and dangerous. It's a lot more dangerous. Okay? Yeah? So that's clear? I know it's weird, but that's the only way how you can find a short. Okay, let's start fix something. Not this one. I don't want to think microphones today. Not microphones. Let's start with I don't know. Charging. What about charging port, Joe? I have only boring jobs. So if you think it's okay, this is a Samsung tablet. If you have nothing to do, or You know how it is with the YouTube. If I do something like I play game. I play my game. I always leave someone in the background, a video running there. So maybe that happened in your case. You fix something and you leave something on the background just to listen. So we have a Samsung tablet, but it's not charging. It's not charging at all. Yeah, the charger is plugged in, and it's taking no power. Yeah, you can see there. 1 milliamp, 1.4 milliamp. That 1.4 is coming from the Apple cable because they're together. So if I take out the Apple cable, yeah, nothing, zero. Yeah, you know the Apple cables, they have some chip inside here on the connector. So actually it's taking no power at all. Yeah, nothing, zero. Okay, okay, that's normal. Let's see the charging port. Let me explain you the on some point you'll do exactly the same things like me. So starting from the beginning of your journey on the electronic trip, yeah. On the beginning, you're a learner. You learn, you play, you start fixing things. You'll fix things by luck. Oh, you have luck to find the wrong, the burn component, or by luck. And after that, you get better. You start fixing things by luck, but with the schematics. After that, you'll start fixing things with the schematics on the proper way. And going through, you'll stop using the schematics and you'll start fixing things based on your experience. So that's how a journey, electronic journey, looks. Yeah. So at some point you'll be like me, with wires, amps. Yeah. Okay. No, I'm not upset. I'm not upset. Far away from me. That comment make me smile and make me realize, because I don't know how the other people see these things, but make me realize actually it's quite unusual, like a small tiny iPhone board. You come like you come with amps and you throw petrol there. Yeah, it can be rude. Yeah. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, microscope. Let's see microscope. But only on when I fix shorts. When I fix shorts, yeah, I use this method. But otherwise, why is it not working? Okay. Good. I see that charging port is gone. Yeah. But obviously, you need a lot of experience to play with something like that, Come with a power supply. Just think, if you touch the wrong thing, probably your motherboard will be gone forever. So the experience is very important on this case. Easy to find the fault, but you have to know what you're doing there. Don't get me wrong, yeah. I'm watching the other people when I have time, obviously. Like, I'm watching Luis, yeah? Luis Rosman, yeah? I'm watching Jessa, STS, Chris Long, and many others. Yeah, very good people, very good people. But keep in mind, if you will be to fix only this tablet, yeah, you fix only this tablet, yeah, you'll get very good on that. Easy. You just get schematics, or not say like only this tablet. Let's say you fix only Samsung tablets. Yeah, fixing only Samsung tablets actually will get very good. But on a normal shop like this, it will not work. You understand? Probably on America is different. But there are a lot of Apple devices. We are fixing here everything. So obviously the level of knowledge, it's a lot more lower. Yeah. Well, they know. They don't even have to look on schematics probably. So they know each component, what voltage should be there. Yeah. I'm not like that. So don't be disappointed. Because on this channel we are fixing everything, yeah? Obviously get like you have an advance. It's like a plus. You fix everything, but you can't really fix and going deep on the things. You don't even want to do that because you have a lot of jobs. But I try to explain. On the other hand, is schematics. Look, having schematics, the things are a lot more easier. Well, this should be all plastic clips, yeah? I just try to explain it's like motorcycling, yeah? You know, motorcycles, yeah? I done my things, yeah? I am the man who will ride always a sport bike, yeah? Super sport bike. So, myself, I can't understand the people, I don't know, riding on the touring or chopper or enduro, you know? I can't understand them. So, like, you know, I'm sport bikes fan. I always ride sport bikes sport bikes on the road or on the tracks. So it's hard for me to understand the other people. Same with the electronics, it's same thing. Now, a nice experience which I have like few weeks ago, but this was nice and make me realize some things. You know, having time, I start studying the music creation process. Yeah, just because I want to know how these things work. Just I always have to have like a hobby or something to study. That's my style. If not, if I have nothing to do, I'm like lost. Yeah. So I start studying the music, and I start playing. It's a software called FL Studio. Yeah, it's for music creation. You know, nice software. And when I start learning, you learn, and actually find out everything what is on like on song. You have the bass, the rhythm, the melody. You have the other sounds. You have everything. So after I finish study that thing, but I don't know what happened. I started listening to a song, so I just look on YouTube, and practicing. And when I start listening to a song, a very well known song, you know, like so song what I love. That song was completely different. So it's like I heard that for the first time. You understand? Everything that song was same feeling like listen to a song first time. So I was able to listen to each thing from the melody, yeah, the rhythm, how can get the rhythm, the melody, which are different things, how they get changed, how everything, was different song, yeah. So same with the electronics. If you're a beginner, yeah, and actually everything from the board looks like it's unknown mystery. After you learn the electronics, everything will get clear, absolutely clear. Yeah, same. But I was surprised, and I start listening all the melodies again, just because it was different. Was absolutely different, absolutely. So before was like just a song, like a nice song. But after that was completely different experience. I was able to listen to each instrument from the song. It's a funny thing, yeah. It was like a shock for me. For me, it was like a shock, and I think because obviously I don't remember how I was on the beginning when I started learning electronics. I think if you're a beginner, yeah, probably you'll have same feeling. Obviously, everything. If you're a beginner, everything it's like weird. The voltage. Why I have that voltage there? Why this is doing like. But after you learn, everything will be different. And I've been there. I've been like a beginner building things. After I start fixing things, fixing with the schematics, and on the end fixing without schematics. So I've been there. I know how it is. And I've been on that point, and when I said, you know what, it's not schematics. No, it's no even point to try to fix it. It's not even was like a board was a board, and that's all. Nothing special. Okay. The charging, we have to replace the charging port on this one. Let's take down the charging port. That was like a shock, what? What's that? A very well song which listens hundreds of times was something else. Was something each song was different. Was nothing the same. So probably with the electronic is the same. Yeah. Okay, let's take down the charging port. Yeah, same liquid flux. Like you remember we made a video. The charger port is out. So that's, I tried, like, let's say if you have any question, just ask me. You know, if it's something what you don't understand. On YouTube, it's easy. On YouTube, you go on the video and you don't understand something and you press dislike button. Easy. You know, dislike button. You know, I don't mind dislikes. Trust me, I have no problem. Compared with my wife when he's doing a live stream and he's taking like 50 dislikes. That's nothing. But the people that they give dislikes is something there which they don't like it. They don't understand it. So just give me the chance to explain it. Yeah? Uh, just press dislike, it's okay. But ask me on the comment and I will explain you, yeah? So that's the thing with the electronics. Okay, let's replace the charging port quickly. Yeah. So I'm sure on this channel are people they try to learn to fix it. Are people they try to learn fix things and open a shop. Yeah. Or are people learning electronics just to build things? Yeah. It's a nice way of living. Not fixing things. So I can't really say I'm doing for money. But I'm doing because I like it. I always like electronics and technology. Yeah. It's not only about electronics. We replace this charging port with the heat from the back like usual, yeah? Okay. Let's come with the heat from the back. I'm using 500 straight, you know? 500 degrees Celsius, yeah? Okay. So let's check under the microscope to see if everything is fine there. Obviously you have to check the solders. No, not fine. Look at the pins. Well, you can see the pins are just there. Okay, let's solder the charging port. I'll use resin, you know, flux. Good. You see, for the ground pin you need more heat. I'll use the hot air just to help the solder iron. Yeah, now it's perfect. Yeah, that's fantastic. I have a look on the channel, I think Saturday, and I can't believe the most viewed video, which has like 100 and something views. It's just a simple video which I open a Samsung S6 and I use the power supply to charge a little bit the battery, put the battery back and plug the charger, and it's working fine. Can't believe there's so many video, like good video, but the people like that video. I don't know why. YouTube is strange. Okay, let's see if it's charging. No, it's not charging. Okay, now you make me curious. Why it's not charging? I should check before. Okay, let's leave the charger plugged in. Well, let's check one more time. Which pin is funny? I think I know which one is. So look on the USB power meter. It's not the first. It's not. Second, no. Third, no. Okay, in this case I have no idea. Let's check with the multimeter. That's weird. That's proper weird. Yeah, volts, okay. Probably my cable is gone. So I should have here 5 volts. And I don't have 5 volts. That's ground, that should be plus. I have no voltage. I have here like 2 volts. I think my cable is gone. Probably my charging cable. Oh, that's fine. Now let me change the charging cable because I don't think it's any problem here. I have no voltage on the board. Nothing. So let's change the cable. Let me grab different one. What about this? nothing. That's strange. So the pins are there, yeah? Yeah. So everything is fine inside. Hmm. You know what? Let me grab another charging cable because I can't trust these cables. Ah. Okay, this is a new one. This is a new one. But that's sick, you know? The charging port is soldered. Charging port is fine, but it's not charging. What did I told you? You see? So actually the charging cables are dodgy. Okay? No, I'm not cleaning the area. The first thing is this is a very good isolator. So in case of water damage, you want to have these things there. Yeah? That's one of the reasons why I'm not cleaning. The second reason is, let's say, I don't know, the charging port get broken and, or I don't know, the tablet is not coming on and they're going on different shop. So if someone comes on my shop and I never seen the tablet, I want to know where the other people they fix it, work on the tablet. So actually seeing what they worked before on the tablet, that's a good thing. Yeah, it's charging. No, it's not charging. I think the battery is too low. Let's put some power on the battery. It's taking only 80 milliamps, which is not normal. Let's comes with some amps. Plus minus 4.2, that's fine. And plus will be here. Yeah. You see, I put the amps and look on the USB power meter. Like instant, the consumption goes up to like 0.8 amps. Yeah. So was not taking power because the battery voltage was too low. Yeah. Actually now it's charging fine. So can be possible like not charging because the battery is too low. Yeah. These things are from experience. It's not like I'm trying out new things. So I don't even want to check the battery. So actually using the power supply to inject voltage on the battery connector is telling me everything about the battery. Yeah. So I just use the power supply. I can see how much power it's taking, how goes the voltage is. You understand how low the voltage is going. Let's try one more time. Yeah. So for me this is something normal. I mean ground and plus, and the voltage the voltage is the same, but the amps 1.8 amps. Let's go high. Let's say 5 volts, 6 volts, 5.9. You see? Let's say more. Let's say 7 volts. It's not even important because the power supply will limit the its current limit. So the voltage is not important. So you see, 2.5 amps. So now 2.5, 4.6 volts there. Yeah, that's telling me a lot of things. Charging fine, yeah. So once what you learned to play with these things, yeah. Learn the relationship between resistance, current, and voltage. You know, that's a Ohm law, yeah. More easy to play. Okay, I have one more screw, which I don't know from where it is. From where is this screw? This one. Oh yeah, from here. Good. Let's put back. I know it's just a tablet, but there are a lot of things to be learned. Probably the most skill what you have to work on it is diagnosing. Yeah, not the fixing, not the repairing, the diagnosing. Yeah. We put the memory card back. Let's try one more time. Yeah, 0.9 amps. Yeah, it's charging fine. 1 amp. Okay, let's go on the next one. Okay, we'll take this receipt down. HP tablet, no power or charging port or board. Let's see what problem is here. We have a board issue or probably charging ports. The most common fault on tablets. Oh, not this one. One second, someone left a comment. Let's read it. One second. Do you think thermovision camera will come in handy? Yeah, but yeah, why not? But you know, I prefer my things. It's nice. Probably I'll take a thermovision camera just for my, not to fix things, Well, just to see exactly how hot are the things. Yeah. But no, I'm fine with the petrol. Okay, so it's not charging, yeah? Let's see. So actually you think you need some special tools to fix? No. So the most expensive tool from my tools is the hot air machine. That was a little bit expensive, was like around 300, but the other tools are like cheap. The solder iron is like £40 or less from eBay. The power supply, I think the power supply was like 60-70 pound. I have a second soldering iron, which I'm using for, I'm using that one for plastic. You know the keyboards with the plastic clips. So I'm using that solder iron. So actually I have two solder irons. So on this one I have two. One is for plastic, one is for plastic. I don't know. I'm not using this. I'm using only this one. So yeah. So you don't need expensive tools. But what is clear is whatever tool you'll buy, the tool it will pay itself, the price. So it's no way how you can lose money with the tools. Okay, I know the tablet. Here is the charging port. Okay. So we have to take the battery out? Maybe not. Now someone else. 1 second, yeah. Let me check my Discord. Where is the Discord server? Discord, yeah, is here. You see exactly what I told you. I see the guy is looking to buy devices, and I think he asked me on this morning. Yeah. He asked me if I have like Q&A for beginners, yeah? You know how it is this? I try a few times, like to do live streams. But the thing is, when I try to do live streams, like everything is going from my head. So it's nothing there. Even the electronic license, yeah? Lessons, which I made them, yeah? Like proper fail. It's nothing there what actually you can learn. And actually, I'm sorry for that. I don't know why. I don't know why. Probably because I'm shy. I have no idea. But I have so much to tell you. But when I start like a live stream or everything is going, so it's nothing there. Okay, let's check the charging port. Okay. Charging port looks fine. Let's have a look under the microscope, yeah? So the pins are okay. What do you think about the solders? The first pin looks dodgy. What? Oh, look, all the pins. So check all the pins. What happened with the pins? So no one is soldered. You can see? You can't see. Look. So I have no pins soldered there. Yeah, we found the problem. Let's try to solder back the pins if we can. That's because I don't have this charging port. This is a very big one. Okay, let me plug a charger. See if we can do something. Flux. I can't see. It's on focus. Okay, let me take the charger out. That should be fine. Let's check together. Okay. Good. Zero 0.8. Yeah, I can move it around, it's fine. Let's make it tight. Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. So you understand the problem on this one, yeah? Actually, the solders was fine. No issue with the solders. Actually, the pins inside get broken. And the charging port is back. Don't get me wrong, I don't try to do the things better than the factory, yeah? So I'm just trying to fix them. Obviously we give warranty, 3 months warranty. That's the reason why I give warranty, to be sure everyone is covered in case something happen. But we have customers which they come back after 3 months and we are still help them if the job was made here. Well, it's okay. We have a little bit of movement here, yeah? But I'll fix that. It's because the charging port, yeah, these things, 1 second. Now it's better, yeah? Good. Like usual, a little bit of hot glue. It will fix the problem. Yeah. I should be fine. That's perfect. So let's put this back. Yeah. Charging port is tight. Everything is fine here. Okay. Let's put back the receipt. Next one. Huddle tablet. So what do you think about that charging port? Huh? Gone. On the Huddle it's easy because you can find the charging port with the board, so actually you don't have to replace the charging port. Plastic clips. I think we have the board, yeah. That's the one, yeah. Look, the main problem on the Huddle, look at that screw. The screw are getting open by itself. Huddle tablet. Yeah, that's the one. So I think we have to take out the battery. Yeah, this is a mad design to put the ribbon cable under the battery. Let's see if it's charging. .4 amps. 1 amp. 1 amp. Yeah. And see, that's the most easy tablet to fix the charging port. Easy money. Let's check first if we have picture on the screen. One amp. One amp. No, I should change the channel name. I should put the name The Amps Man. Okay, that's great. Yeah, all done. 5 minutes job, not even 5 minutes.